देखती रहिए अटक ब्रॉडकास्ट।
पलटना पलट के झपटना लहू रंग रखने का है इकबाल। राइटर ऑफ कॉलेजेस कामना एंड अदर प्रिंसिपल टीचर्स एंड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Okay, first of all, I'm thankful to the management who have invited me on this auspicious occasion to share my experience and my emotions, my feelings right now after the successful win from our rival. And secondly, I would like to raise the spirit of this house by telling you. Okay, can you understand me, all the students? Okay, you are not audible to me. आप लोग समझ आ रही है what I'm talking about? Should I talk in Urdu or English is okay for you guys? Okay. Okay, let me tell you, we have heard many things about Air Force. I tell you one special thing today. That Pakistan Air Force is the only military in the entire world who is manufacturing its own aircraft. That is SMT Thynder. In other countries like you have heard about Rafale, Lockheed Martin is manufacturing F-16, Chinese they are manufacturing J-10 as a part of J-17 as well. But they all are private companies which are manufacturing aircraft. Pakistan Air Force is the only, force which is manufacturing its own aircraft. This is the credit goes to the Pakistan. And this is not confined, restricted till Air Force. In Army, the Fateh 1, the Fateh 2 missiles system, we have manufactured ourselves. Main contribution in these manufacturing projects is of Pakistan. A little, contribution is from China side. If you have heard about two major things from India side. One is Rafale, again they have bought it from France. The other one, the BrahMos. Again, it is a joint venture between India and Russia, and the major contribution in this is of Russia. Just to enhance your knowledge, just to share, raise the level of your knowledge. BrahMos. Bra is actually a Brahma. Sutra is a river in India, and Moskova is a river in Russia. Then the BrahMos they have manufactured, but again a very little effort by India. So we should feel proud that we are manufacturing our own weapon. Okay? And the entire world knows that the weapon they were equipped with, they were much better than ours. But it is not the weapon which matters, this man behind the weapon which matters. बच्चों समझ आ रही है कि नहीं? ये वेपन नहीं है ये जो इसका काम है, because F-16, J-17 and J-10 which we have recently procured from China, they are user-friendly aircraft, like user-friendly that they are easy to comprehend, but we really have to deeply involve, have to understand the psyche of these aircraft. Okay? Then you can fully utilize them like our pilots did. And what lesson do we learn from this operation? What lesson? The existing chief of the staff, Air Chief Marshal Ahmad Babar, I have closely worked with him once he was a wing commander back in 2005. When he was a wing commander, I've seen him. The main quality in the existing chief of the staff is that he spends a lot of time in planning. You understand planning? How to, conduct yourself, your operations. The major part of his time he spent. I have seen it. This was the metro for your homeland. He spent considerable time on the planning. And if you will inshallah grow up and you will inshallah join multiple fields, you will see the quality management system is based on this PDCA cycle: plan, do, check, and act. So one lesson which you people, प्यारे बच्चों, are you listening to me? आप लोगों ने plan करना है. Have to. Or this is not like that you cannot contribute. You see the entire nation, how they were united. Before this, how much we were having conflicts among people, political parties, and itself the opinion about army, air force, and navy. But once a difficult time came, then you see that the nation and the armed forces, they stood together. This is again one of the lesson, and the main thing we must understand. Everyone thinks, okay, what can I do? As you people know that the principal sir, they have introduced me. I'm an engineer. I'm not a pilot, but I have been involved in manufacturing of J-17 aircraft, and alhamdulillah, more than 30 aircraft of Block 2 and Block 3, J-17 Thynder, they have been delivered to Pakistan Air Force under my signature. I was the quality manager. And one of these aircraft, they fought the war, I was really proud. Just to share with you guys, this Batman ने उस pilot के shoes polish किया था ना सुबह, once he was going for the mission. You know what he was telling? The cook who cooked the food, the breakfast for that pilot, what the feeling he had that my pilot went and just strike. So I have more than 30 aircraft. I have been production. I have conducted the production planning more than 30 aircraft. Mashallah, they are flying, and I was really proud. I was told that the pilot is flying. Of course, it is his job. This is a major contribution of the pilot, the training. But what I am trying to make you comprehend that each and every part of this society can contribute this part. Like if we come down to yourself, the smaller kids, the teachers, everyone, what we have to do actually, we have to do our work honestly. This is the main theme of the story. Right from the beginning, from the onset, you must decide what you have to become. What doctors are doing, they are looking after the injured guys. You see, the army chief yesterday, he visited the combined military hospital, seen the Shah building. So, and the doctors were standby. They were just beside him and they were just walking and giving him company and were feeling proud that we are, looking after our injured, wounded, uniform personnel, soldiers. So, like nurses, the paramedical staff, even the driver of that ambulance who brought the injured soldier to the hospital, he contributed. So the guide is that we understand that each one of us, is contributing towards building of our nation directly or indirectly. If I give you example, pilot was contributing directly, and myself and you guys, we all are contributing indirectly. Okay? So अपनी domain में whosoever is working, please do it with full zeal and zest, and with full honesty. So the other thing which I can share, that yesterday again the nation, I don't consider India a nation, because yesterday what happened, the 4 pilots, they had a very bitter argument with the chief of the air staff. The chief of the air staff of Indian Air Force, he is a Sikh, and these four Hindu pilots of Rafale, they accused them, okay, you sent us without giving us insufficient training. And you know that the army chief, the Air Force chief, definitely is at the higher echelon. He put them in the cell. And this type of Air Force, the army, they have, you saw the white flags. Once the army was fighting them, and these idiots, the duffers, they are not even their calling soldiers. They are the duffers. They were just, raising the white flags. Okay, forgive us. Okay, let them take the dead bodies of our, soldiers. And you see the spirit of our soldiers. There are some soldiers. There are soldiers who have sacrificed their lives even. And इसके ऊपर क्या आर्मी चीफ ने ये कहा था कि हमें शहादत का शौक इतना ज्यादा है उस खौफ से जो उनको मरने का खौफ है उससे. That was the spirit. Okay, this is the school uniform again, Faki. Okay, you feel proud of it because it matches the uniform of your army. I think you guys must be proud. Even I'm feeling proud to see such a crowd of soldiers. MashaAllah. So, at the end, I would again urge and request and give you a counsel you guys. Again, the task which is given to you by your teachers, please fulfill it with the best way you can. And decide your career. For this, you please have surfing on some phone, on internet also, laptops, desktops. In this profession you are interested in, try to, everyone has certain potentials inside. And these potentials, they go along when he dies if he does not explore. हर इंसान के अंदर कुछ कायदें होती हैं, ठीक है? It is his duty कि वो उसको explore करे. यार, at least, I'm good at swimming, I'm good at, playing hockey, I'm good at, physics, I'm good at, chemistry, bio, computers. You need to, these are the potentials, they are hidden inside you. And if you don't explore them, then these will go along when you die. First you have to explore them, then you have to exploit them in the best interest of this nation, your well-being. And this money, this status, these are the byproducts. Once you will excel in your field, you will identify your potentials and you will exploit them, then you will see that automatically you will get a good status in society. Okay. At the end, I would like that we all sing a very famous national song, the Dil Pakistan. Can you give me your आप मेरा साथ देंगे इसमें के नहीं? ओके. ऐसी ज़मीन और आसमान इनके सिवा जाना बढ़ती रहे ये रोशनी चलता रहे ये पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान 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 Pakistan forces. Thank you very much.